What's going on, guys? RT Off the Dome Media Group. Let me first start off by saying Happy New Year. Happy 2019. I know January is almost over. I just want to jump in real quick and let you know that I have a lot of great content lined up. Financial hacks, drone laws, drone ordinances, videos, tutorials, you name it. We have it. It's going to be here and then some. So again, I just want to take the time to say welcome to the new subscribers. To the old subscribers, thanks for hanging around. Thanks for hanging out. I have been answering your questions and your comments in the comment section, so I haven't been completely gone. But again, happy 2019. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell notification. And if you're already a subscriber, do me a favor and also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when all the new videos drop. So again, that's it for me. I'm keeping it short. I'm keeping it simple. Look for the new content. Be back on track next month, February 2019. Happy New Year. Peace. I'm out.